Welcome to our channel dedicated to self-expression, personal growth, empowerment, positivity, and finances. We're thrilled to have you here. In this video, we'll explore the power of setting and achieving personal goals. Let's dive in. Imagine planning a trip without a destination. Sounds chaotic, right? That's what life is like without goals. Goals are like your personal GPS. They guide you to where you want to go. Think of goals as your own treasure map. They give you direction and keep you motivated. Goals help you zero in on what really matters. They act like a lighthouse, showing you the way. Picture your goals as destinations on a journey. Each one is a milestone, bringing you closer to your ultimate dream. So, where do you want to go in life? What dreams light you up inside? What do you want to achieve? Is it a personal milestone, a career goal, or maybe learning something new? Maybe it's picking up a new language, getting fit, or diving into a new hobby. Or perhaps it's launching your own business, turning your passion into a profession. Whatever it is, setting goals is the first step. They turn your dreams into actionable plans. Goals help you prioritize. They let you focus your time and energy on what truly matters. When you know what you want, every decision becomes a step towards your goal. Without goals, it's easy to feel lost. You might find yourself drifting without a clear direction. Life can get hectic and distractions are everywhere. Without goals, you might end up going nowhere fast. Goals keep you on track. They remind you of what you're working towards, helping you stay focused and driven. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Each step forward is progress, and progress fuels motivation. Regularly reflect on your journey. Adjust your goals as needed and stay committed to your path. Share your goals with friends or a support group. They can offer encouragement and keep you accountable. Remember, the magic of goals is in turning dreams into reality. Embrace the journey and let your goals guide you to success. Let's dive in and make it happen together. So you've got these big dreams, right? But where do you even begin? The secret is to start small. Dreaming big fills you with excitement and endless possibilities. When you dream big, you allow yourself to imagine a future far beyond your current reality. Don't shy away from setting ambitious goals. These goals are what push you to grow and evolve. They challenge you to step out of your comfort zone and aim higher. But here's the thing, it's crucial to make your goals achievable. Starting small is the key. By breaking down your big dreams into smaller, manageable tasks, the journey becomes less intimidating and more attainable. Imagine you want to run a marathon. You wouldn't start by running 26 miles on day one. Instead, you'd begin with a mile or two and gradually increase your distance. Each run builds your stamina and brings you closer to your goal. It's the accumulation of these small runs that leads to success. You'd break it down into smaller, manageable runs. Each checkpoint you reach is a victory, motivating you to keep going. Imagine you want to write a book. That can feel overwhelming at first. The thought of writing hundreds of pages can be intimidating. But what if you start by aiming to write just one page a day? Suddenly, the task seems much more manageable. One page a day might not seem like much, but over time, those pages add up. Each page you write is a step closer to your goal, and with each step, your confidence grows. Small steps lead to big achievements. By focusing on one small task at a time, you build momentum and create a sense of accomplishment. By breaking down your goals into smaller milestones, you create a sense of progress. Each milestone you reach is a reminder of how far you've come and how capable you are of achieving your dreams. This keeps you motivated and prevents you from feeling overwhelmed. Remember, every big dream starts with a small step. So, dream big, start small, and keep moving forward. And as you move forward, you'll find that each small step brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Ever heard of SMART goals? It's a super effective way to set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down and see how you can use it in your life. Specific. Instead of just saying, I want to get fit, try, I want to run a 5K in 3 months. See the difference? Measurable. How will you know you're making progress? Maybe track your running distance and time each week. It's like having a personal scoreboard. Achievable. Is your goal realistic for you right now? Challenge yourself, but keep it doable. You don't want to set yourself up for failure. Relevant. Does this goal matter to you? Make sure it aligns with your values and long-term dreams. It's got to be something you care about. Time-bound. Give yourself a deadline. It creates urgency and keeps you on track. Imagine crossing that finish line right on time. So, you've got your SMART goal all set. Awesome. Now let's break it down into bite-sized pieces. This is where the real magic happens. Think of it like building a Lego set. You need a step-by-step action plan to guide you through each phase of your journey. Imagine it as your personal roadmap. Just like a GPS guides you to your destination, your action plan will lead you to your goal. Each step is like climbing a staircase. Every small action you take is a step forward, bringing you closer to your goal. Let's say your goal is to run a 5K. Your plan might look something like this. Start by walking for 30 minutes 3 times a week. This helps build your endurance and gets your body used to regular exercise. Then, mix in some running intervals. Start with short bursts of running, followed by walking to catch your breath. Each week, run a bit more and walk a bit less. This gradual buildup helps prevent injuries and boosts your stamina. Sign up for a 5K race and stick to your training plan. Having a race date on the calendar gives you a clear target to aim for. A clear plan makes it so much easier to stay on track. It gives you structure and keeps you focused on what needs to be done. Plus, it helps you spot any potential roadblocks and come up with solutions ahead of time. By anticipating challenges, you can prepare strategies to overcome them and stay on course. Remember, every small step is progress. Celebrate your wins along the way, no matter how small they seem. Each one brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Take time to reflect on your journey regularly. Assess what's working and what needs tweaking. This helps you stay aligned with your goals and make necessary adjustments. Keep yourself motivated by remembering why you set this goal in the first place. Keep your end vision in mind and enjoy the process of getting there. Now, let's break it down even further. We'll take those big goals and split them into smaller, manageable tasks. It's all about making progress, one step at a time. All right, let's dive into your roadmap to success. Think of your action plan as your personal GPS, guiding you to your goals. Keep it somewhere you see every day, like on your fridge or your desk, so it's always top of mind. Make it a habit to review your plan regularly and tweak it as you go. Life throws curveballs, and that's okay. Adjust your plan and celebrate those small wins. Each tiny step you take is progress. Imagine climbing a staircase, one step at a time. Recognize your progress and give yourself a pat on the back. Consistency is your best friend. Remember, it's better to move forward steadily than to sprint and burn out. Keep pacing yourself. Tracking your triumphs. Keeping tabs on your progress is super important. It lets you see how far you've come and keeps you pumped up. So, how can you do this effectively? Let's dive in. You could jot down your goals in a journal, set up a spreadsheet, or use a habit tracking app. Write down your goals, your action plan, and track your progress along the way. Seeing your progress visually can be super motivating. Why not create a vision board with images and quotes that light a fire in you? Make it a habit to look back on your progress regularly. It's a fantastic way to boost your confidence and remind yourself that you're capable of achieving amazing things. The power of progress. Progress is like fuel for your journey. Every little step forward counts. Think about it. When you track your wins, big or small, you reinforce positive behavior. Picture training for a marathon. Each mile you run, each workout you complete is a victory. Marking these milestones reminds you that you're inching closer to your goal. And hey, even if you hit a bump in the road, don't get discouraged. It's totally normal to have ups and downs. The key is to learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Remember, success isn't a straight line. It's a journey with twists and turns. Tracking your progress helps you navigate those twists and stay on course. So let's celebrate those small wins and keep pushing towards your goals. Rewarding your efforts. Remember, it's super important to reward yourself for all the hard work you're putting in. Celebrating your achievements keeps you motivated and excited. So why not treat yourself to something you love? The reward doesn't have to be extravagant or pricey. It could be as simple as a relaxing bubble bath, diving into a great book, or spending quality time with family and friends. Pick rewards that resonate with your goals. For instance, if you're aiming to eat healthier, treat yourself to a vibrant, nutritious meal instead of reaching for that bag of chips. By linking positive feelings with your progress, you'll be more likely to stick with your goals in the long run. Let's explore some fun and creative ways to reward yourself. Staying inspired. Staying inspired is crucial for reaching your goals. Life can throw some serious curveballs, making it easy to lose focus. That's why it's so important to find ways to keep that spark alive. Surround yourself with positive vibes and uplifting people. Connect with folks who cheer you on and believe in your dreams. Seek out a mentor or role model. Having someone to look up to can be a game changer for your motivation. Don't hesitate to reach out to those you admire. Dive into books, tune into podcasts, or watch documentaries about people who have crushed their goals. Learning from others can offer priceless insights and keep you on track. Embrace the journey. It's not just about reaching the finish line, but also about soaking in all the experiences along the way. Think about it. Every brushstroke on a canvas or every note played on an instrument adds to the beauty of the final piece. Embrace those tough moments and celebrate your wins no matter how small. And hey, don't hesitate to tweak your goals as you go. It's all part of the adventure. Life throws curveballs and sometimes your dreams might shift. That's totally okay. Stay open-minded and ready to explore new paths. Take a moment to breathe and enjoy the present. Instead of getting stuck in the past or stressing about the future, focus on the here and now. And most importantly, trust in yourself. You've got what it takes to reach your goals. Let's make every moment of this journey count. Your goals are waiting for you. Setting and achieving personal goals is like an adventure. It's an adventure of self-discovery, growth, and fulfillment. And it all begins with that first step. So, what's holding you back? Take that leap today. Define your goals, break them down, create an action plan, and start moving towards the life you dream of. Remember, you're capable of incredible things. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and never stop chasing your dreams. You've got this. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more valuable content with you. And don't forget to visit our online store at www.1012expressions.com for exclusive merchandise to enhance your self-improvement journey, while adding some fashion and a touch of humor to your life. Thanks for watching.